Hello, hello. Right, so I have got a full-on day at my desk today. So not much recipe testing going on in the kitchen today, sadly. I love those recipe testing days anyways. So I have just got up to make myself a lovely lunch. And I thought, hang on a minute, I can share this lovely lunch recipe with you guys as well. So I am making the most delicious toastie. What's going to be inside it? Let's go and watch. And all good things start with a green chutney, in my opinion. A lot of good things start with green chutney. So I'm going to make a very quick green chutney, coriander and mint, and some lemon juice. So I'm going to quickly whiz it up first. So easy peasy. I've got 50 grams of fresh coriander leaves. And I'm just going to break the tops off, not all the stalks, and then just break it up because I'm just going to give it a good rinse. So, and half the amount of mint leaves. So when the mint comes in bunches, we don't want the stalks because they are really hard. We just want the leaves. So I'm just going to break up all the leaves from here. And once it's washed, it will go straight into the mixer. Just juice of a lemon or a lime, whatever you have at home. A nice green chili. This is a nice hot one. Just half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and then a splash of water, a couple of tablespoons. 1, 2, and then just splits it. And that, my friends, is the lovely green coriander chutney ready. The vibrancy, the colors, smells amazing. So I have got here around 60-70 grams of paneer. And I'm just going to grate this quite thick. And also got like 20 grams of cheddar, 20 to 30 grams. So the filling I am doing right now is for one sandwich and one sandwich only, because obviously it's just for myself right now. Or you can multiply it. Make it half, actually not really, but yeah, you know the deal. And I'm just going to add one more thing. Now this is optional, but I have got 5 extra minutes today, so I am going to chop up a red onion. If you don't have that extra 5 minutes, you can skip this, but I'm promising you don't want to. So just going to chop this up finely, roughly, however you like. So a hot pan, a quick splash of oil. I'm using olive oil, a teaspoon of mustard seeds, really important for the flavor punch. And once they kind of start to sizzle up, we're going to add the onion. Cook this for 3 to 4 minutes until they start to get some color. So the onions are cooking, the paneer has been grated with the cheese, and for the bread you really kind of do need the white bread. You can use the brown bread, nothing wrong with that, but for the real crunch and the crispiness, white bread is kind of the only answer. So you can see it's getting a little bit of color. And that is what we want. So I'm going to turn the heat off and give it 1 minute. Just going to put some, oops, it is quite cold. My butter is still quite hard, not soft enough. So I'm just going to put butter, the bread on both the slices. This is going to be the outside of the toast. So here is the paneer and cheddar, and to this I'm just going to add in the onions and just a sprinkling of salt, because we've got cheddar, and a sprinkling of black pepper, and now mix it. So I have got the old school toaster, and I'm going to put the butter side down. And I know it kind of wastes a lot of bread, but I didn't have small bread in the house. So if you have a smaller loaf, definitely use that. And in here, I'm going to add this lovely green chutney. So much flavor. So I'm going to try and stick it to the center, because the sides are going to all get cut. Lots and lots of it. I love green chutney. Okay, and then goes in our lovely filling. Having said all that, I think I might have made enough for 2 sandwiches. And cover with the other slice and just seal it. Like I said, I know, I apologize, it does waste a lot. I'm just going to cut this out and then cook this. I think this is done. I am going to take it to the plate. You can actually hear it sizzle. Ouch. Yes. You can see this is the chutney side because it's green. And I really want to open it up, but it's going to be piping hot, isn't it? That is one delicious toastie. I guess there is only one thing left to do now. Eat it! That is so good. The chutney is adding a punch. The cooked onions, I know it's extra 2, 3, 4 minutes, but they are so kind of key to the flavors of this toastie. I do hope you will try this, the paneer and cheese together. That is so good. Your lunch doesn't have to be boring, even if you're working from home, like me. Hope you will give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you back here very, very soon. And leave me a comment. Bye for now. I've only got hardly any time left for my lunch break, so I quickly eat this and I'll see you very soon. Bye.